Dude, I just got you the best Christmas present.
Yo, what?
Yeah, Merry Christmas, bro. You deserve it.
Dude, I can't believe you got me a dog. What happened to its eye?
I don't know. It just comes like that, I guess.
Where did you get him from?
Walmart.
What?
What?
Since when does Walmart sell dogs?
I don't know, man. I don't work there. I was just shopping for Christmas gifts and this dog was there.
How exactly was it for sale?
It was sitting in the aisle and it had a little vest on saying for sale or for service or something.
It had a service vest on?
Oh, is that what that's called? I threw it out. You can't leave a present in its wrapping.
That wasn't wrapping. That was a service vest for a service dog. You just stole somebody's dog.
That doesn't make any sense. Why would someone leave a dog at Walmart?
Well, I don't know. Was there anyone around?
Well, I mean, there was some old guy wearing sunglasses inside like a douchebag.
Oh my God.